So now our next topic is topological sorting. So what is it? Algorithm, let's see the algorithm, don't focus on algorithm, I will show you the steps. So identify the vertices that have no incoming edges. So first is identify the vertices which do not have incoming edges or in degree is 0, nothing is incoming to that vertices. So the vertices outgoing is possible but incoming is nothing. So this is basically will take order of let's say v square. So this is time complexity. Okay, delete this vertex of in degree 0 and all the input outgoing edges from the graph, place it in output. I will show how it is done. So basically it is going edge by edge. So this is order of E. So now what will be our output order, total order? V square plus E. But with the help of some data structures we can reduce this V square to V. So this is our time complexity. Now our next thing is how to do this algorithm. Okay, so concentrate here. So what is our first thing? To identify which vertices or vertex doesn't have any incoming edge. So this and this, you can see no incoming edge is there, so you can choose either of this. So let's say we are choosing V2. So we are choosing V2. So V2 has no incoming edges, so delete this. So delete it. Now here you can see, so V2 is deleted from this. So we are doing the topological sorting output of this. So here you can see the only vertex which doesn't have any incoming edge is only V5, nothing. So V1 is has incoming edge from V5, so only option is V5, so we delete it, V5. Now see, it has only one option, that is V1, because V3 is dependent on V7 and V1. So V1 is our next. So if it is deleted, so we cannot go to V3 or V6 because V3 is dependent on V7, V6 also dependent on V3 and V7. So the only vertex which has no incoming edge is V7. So V7 will be our output next. So delete it. So we cannot put V6 here because V6 has incoming edge from V3. So V3 will have to be deleted first. So this is V3, then only one option V6. So this is our topological sorting. Nothing much here, it is basically very easy. One or two questions were asked in it, let me find them and do it. So this is very easy. Do some examples if you find more in test series and all. If you find then do them. And now I will try to find any question if I can. Okay.